In this video, let's take a quick look at screens Path provides to manage the loans that you sell on the secondary market. All right, let's log into Path here. And I will toggle to my lock desk role. And we will go into a loan. Now there's 4 screens to manage the loans you're selling on the secondary market. It's going to be your pricing review, your purchase advice, final commitment, and profit and loss. Let's start with your pricing review screen. So we've got a buy-side price section with your anticipated buy price, starting adjusted rate, last price date and time, group, investor, program, product, base price, adjustments. Then we move into your realized buy price with the same group, investor, program, product, base price, adjustments. Then we move into your benchmark price section with your total loan amount, your benchmark rate, your benchmark term, your benchmark lock period, your benchmark price. Then we've got your sell side price section with your anticipated sell price. That's going to have your anticipated principal amount purchased, your commitment rate, commitment term, commitment period, your commitment type, your last price date, group, investor, program, product, and base price, your adjustments, your anticipated sell price, your anticipated gross percentage, and then that is followed by your realized sell price data. So you're going to have the same group, investor, program, product fields, your principal amount purchased, commitment rate, commitment term, commitment period, commitment type, your base price, your adjustments, and then your realized sell price, along with your execution variance and your realized gross percentage. There also will be a lock status history provided here for you so that you've got lock visibility so you can see the workflow as that lock has moved from status to status. And with the pricing review, the whole purpose of this screen is to provide a breakdown of the price through the loan's life cycle and summarize the lock details from lock to purchase advice. Okay, let's move into our purchase advice screen. Nice segue. So the purchase advice is going to record the investor's purchase advice statement information, starting with your loan information, your loan type, term, note rate, total loan amount, first payoff date, subject property address, your purchase advice details, including your sale date, amount purchased, investor first payment, your per diems, your realized sell price with the investor, product, base price, price adjustments, interest, escrows, fees, your final purchase amount, which is going to be your final price plus your interest plus your escrows plus your fees, your origination company, your investor information, and then your servicer information. So it'll have your servicer, your future servicer, and a sub-servicer if needed, along with a payment schedule button so you can click that button and quickly see the payment schedule right here from this screen. Then we have a final commitment screen. So that's going to provide all the commitment information and capture the purchase price all the way through investor delivery. So you'll have your anticipated commitment information, your anticipated gain loss, your realized commitment information, your realized gain loss, and then we have an additional tracking tab here. So if you need to record for like pooling or hedging, you've got your investor information here, your pool information, your guarantee, and any additional loan information like a balloon reset, current interest rate, any kind of comments you want to add in there. Then we have the profit and loss screen. So this is going to show how much a loan will earn or cost the lender. So you'll have your buy side price section with your realized buy, your base price, price adjustments, your lender debits and credits, followed by your commissions. This is a really nice section where you can go in here and set up all your different users and the different commissions they would earn, so that way you can automatically calculate that by selecting them based on how you have that set up in the admin. You'll have your gross buy side total, which will be your realized buy price plus your lender debits and credits plus your commissions. Your net buy side total, which will be your gross buy side total minus your total loan amount. And then we have a warehouse section. So that'll show your interest rate, your interest basis, your warehouse days, your warehouse haircut amount, your warehouse total, which will be the warehouse haircut amount plus additional charges. Then we've got your sell side price. So your realized sell price, base price, adjustments, investor debits and credits, and then down here, your gross sell side total and your net profit loss on sale. Now, in Path, we can build report. You can do this too, but the capability is there to build reports from the debits and credits earned through the loan life cycle. Now, before we wrap up this video, let's take a look at our wire and funding screen. So the wire and funding screen is going to allow you to capture your wire calculation. You're going to have your deductions, your additions, you'll have your total loan amount, your draw amount, total deductions from wire, total additions to wire, and the net wire amount. You'll have date requested, date approved, funds requested by, funds approved by, the amount requested, the amount approved. You'll have a request funding section, so that'll capture funding date, wire priority, phone, email, funds requested by, comments and instructions, along with the settlement agent, bank, further credit to bank information. And you'll have two buttons down here. One, so if you want to view the funding advice, you can click this button and view that form right from this screen. So here's your funding advice with your general information, your escrow reserves deposited with lender, your settlement charges, total funding amount, prepared by, and approved by. And then we also have your wire disbursement. So we'll click on that button and click view. And so there is your wire disbursement. And again, you're able to click that button and view both the funding device and the wire disbursement right here on your wire and funding screen. So this wire disbursement will show your settlement agent, the bank, the further credit to bank, the deductions, the additions, total loan amount, draw amount, deductions from wire, additions to wire, net wire amount. It's all right there automatically generated with a click of a button. All right, that concludes this video. Let me pull up my contact information here. Path is amazing. You will absolutely love it. Your team will love it. Please reach out to me if you have questions. I'd love to hear from you. Here's my contact information. There's my phone number, my email address. And yeah, thanks for your time. I appreciate you watching the video today.